नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रैटिट्यूड. इन हिंदी वी से कृतज्ञ. So how does this gratitude help? I got this insight in one of the recent lectures that I attended, gratitude, and I have been practicing it for last 2 months, and this has really helped me a lot to change the way I used to think, and my life has shifted to a level so I can live more happily. So how this gratitude helped me, I will explain, and so that this you can also implement the same thing in your life. This is very easy to implement, and this is surely going to help you in living the daily day-to-day life that we lead in a more peaceful manner. How it helps, let me explain. So gratitude, first example I will give you why children are more happy than us, or when we grow we become more life is more tense, we become more sad. Why? The basic reason is gratitude. In children, if you see, if you give them a simple gift, they will tell you thank you, and they will be so happy. Like whenever we buy new dress for the children, or even if we buy the new books for their school or anything we give them, or they get anything, they get some prize, they will thank to the person who is giving, or they will thank, and they will thank to everyone. But when we grow up subsequently, we forget that. And what happens is, on daily basis we get so many things, but we are not at all grateful to the person who is giving those to us, or to God who is ultimately providing all those things to us. For example, when we get a job, or we start our own company, or whatever, means we do a big thing in life for the first time after our graduation, then we thank that yes, I got, and we feel achieved. Means we feel that yes, we have achieved something. But after that, what happens? We forget everything, and on monthly basis we get our salary, or when we are running our family, everything goes on, and we don't even feel like that whatever we are getting, that someone is giving it to us. And like we are on daily basis, say for example our own body, if we take, so this body, like our hands are there, legs are there, which are on daily basis helping us to do so many things. If you see, so many people are there who don't have hands and legs, so we are more fortunate than them, but we are never thankful for such small. We think these are normal things in life, and we are never thankful. Say we are traveling in a bus, or we are traveling in an aeroplane, so whether we are thankful to the people who has developed all this setup so that we are getting a easy life, we never thank them. We just take it for granted, and because of this, the life also, as we are not grateful, our life also becomes more and more sad life we lead, because we don't know what we are doing. We are just passing our life on daily basis, and we should learn from children the power of gratitude, and you can read in books what gratitude, how it can help your life. Like now, whenever I wake up, I give gratitude to God that yes, today I have woke up and I am safe. Because if you just go through statistics, many people, they even don't wake up in the morning because of some issue or the other. So I thank God for the first thing. Then I thank the universe that whatever I am getting on daily basis, I am able to serve my family, and whatever I am getting, it is because of someone is finally providing it to us. In Gita also it is written that whatever we are eating, we should thank to the Annadata before we start eating. Why it is written? Because whatever we are doing on daily basis, whatever we are getting, we should thank the person. Then only we will feel grateful for the things we are getting, and we will be having a more peaceful and purposeful life. So let us practice this gratitude on daily basis. On whatever things you are getting or we are doing, we should be thankful. And you can get many such videos many such thoughts in my later videos. So try to be grateful whatever you are doing in life, and take your life to the next higher level, and be happy in life. This is my understanding of gratitude. So Thank you for watching the video. You can subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.